Tired of wrestling with a heavy, noisy lawnmower? This Greenworks 48V mower makes yard work feel effortless. Reason 1. Dual 4.0. Batteries deliver impressive cordless runtime. You get up to 45 minutes of mowing power. That means fewer stops, less frustration, and smoother mowing. Reason 2. The 1/7-inch lightweight deck moves easily. It's rust-resistant, compact, and built for simple maneuvering. Tight corners, narrow paths, and tricky edges become manageable. You'll spend less effort pushing and more time finishing. Reason 3. 2-in-1 cutting gives you real flexibility. Mulch clippings for nutrients, or collect them in the bag. One mower, multiple lawn care styles, all from one machine. Need a cleaner cut? Adjust the height in seconds. The single lever system keeps setup fast and straightforward. No gas means no mess. No fumes, no hassle. No oil changes either, which saves time and money. Just push the button and start mowing instantly. Quiet operation makes early mornings far more neighbor-friendly. It's a solid pick for homeowners who value convenience. It's also great for gardeners who want dependable performance. And eco-conscious users will love the emission-free design. This mower brings gas-like power without the gas routine. The result is a cleaner, easier, smarter mowing experience. If your lawn needs regular upkeep, this helps. If you want simplicity, this delivers exactly that. If you want flexibility, this mower checks that box too. The collapsible handle also makes storage refreshingly convenient. Small shed? Garage corner? No problem at all. It folds down neatly, saving valuable storage space. The included dual-port rapid charger keeps both batteries ready. Less waiting means you can get back outside sooner. That's especially useful when your lawn needs more coverage. With 2.0.0 plus compatible tools, the ecosystem keeps growing. That adds even more value beyond the mower itself. This is the kind of upgrade you feel immediately. Less noise, less maintenance, less stress every mow, more control, more convenience, and more confidence in every pass. For everyday lawn care, that combination is hard to beat. Ready to make mowing easier and cleaner? Greenworks delivers the power, flexibility, and convenience you want. Take a closer look and see the difference. Order now and simplify your lawn care routine. Your yard deserves a smarter way to mow.